So this is our room at the Melia Jardines del Teide. It's room 401. Let's just put the key in. Bathroom on the left. Double sink, his and hers. And a nice big walk-in shower. And the toilet's there on the left. So the wardrobe area where obviously they've got curtains in front, that's a good idea. Takes up less space. Safe down there for a safety deposit box if you want to use it. Not sure if it's free or not. I haven't looked at that yet. And then a nice open space. Two like queen size beds, I'd say. Loads of sockets for electrics. Kettle. You get a free bottle of water, but you only get one per stay. Television, tea and coffee, and then in the bottom here in the fridge there's beers and what have you, but they're not part of your all-inclusive, so if you actually use any of those, you'll get charged for them. I think this is a pull-out, sofa bed as well. So you could probably get another two people in this room quite comfortably for your stay. But obviously it's adults only, so no kids are allowed. And then this is the balcony. Move you out to Costa Adeje over the top of the roof there. It's a bit cloudy today. It's 18th of May 2026. Temperatures are supposed to be going up to like 24 today, I think. 25. It's quite warm. But yeah, so that is the room. At the Melia Jardines del Teide. I'll see you later.